Hello everybody and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. This week we're getting paint on the front of the Boxster and who knows what else will get done. Stay tuned. Okay everybody, so today is the day that I'm going to make this car completely silver. Minus the front bumper, which I still don't have. So a lot of stuff going on today, getting ready for Rallycross Nationals, which I have to tech at 4 o'clock, and it's 2 o'clock right now, so I'm going to try to lay some quick coats of paint on this, and then I can just leave it and not touch it till I get home after tech. And I'll show you guys the front of the car. So here we go. It's all done up in primer. Primer and seam sealer. I gobbed the seam sealer on like crazy in this thing. But that's okay. This car's going to sit outside all the time. I want to make sure there was plenty of crap in there to keep water from penetrating from either the inside or the outside. So I've got my my test box set up. You guys remember test box from the orange car, from doing the inside of the Rabbit and from painting their Golf. It's just the one I keep all my shipping stuff in, so nothing special. Don't make a hashtag for it or anything like that. Hashtag test box. So I've got paint already mixed up, so I'm going to get right into to throwing some color down on this thing and making this thing match. Okay, so it was a quick episode, and that's kind of the goal of these, is to keep these really short until I start getting into some really technically crazy type stuff, which I might not find with this car. But just want to show you guys the progress and stuff. You can do this at your own home. None of this is rocket science. You want to see where it starts and where it finishes, and the shortest route in between, just like TV. So took all the masking tape off. The paint's still drying. I've got to hop in the Rallycross Golf and get up to Dirtfish for the National Challenge. I got to drop my car off for tech tonight. I still got to get stuff loaded into the truck. I still got to get stuff loaded into the car. But the paint is done, and I'm just going to let it sit with the hood up for a couple hours while I'm gone. Hopefully the breeze and everything will get the paint to cure, and it doesn't match perfect. I'm not too concerned about that because there's going to be carpet in here anyway. The whole front of this, the whole trunk area or frunk is carpeted. So bottom line is it's straight. I don't want to say it's going to hold water because I don't want it to hold water. I want it to like keep water out. But check it out. And you can see from the old paint to the new paint, it doesn't, especially right over there, it doesn't quite match, but that's okay. I mean, the new paint sure does look nice. So I've still got work to do underneath. I still have to prep the seam on the bottom. I'm just going to grind it real quick, and then I'm going to use, since I found out one thing about this front cut that I got, is that somebody had already done body work on it. The floor had Bondo in it, so I sanded out a bunch of the Bondo, and at that point I'm like, you know what, this car is going to be a driver, it's going to be sitting outside all the time, you know, let's just get this good enough, you know. But it turned out really good for less than a week's work from where I started to where it's at now. And I took some of the extra paint that I had and went around and just touched up all the big scratches. So hopefully I can polish those out and make it look a little bit better, but I'm out of time. That's all the time I have for this episode. Thank you for watching. Until next time, get out there and work on something.